welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Anmol and I hope you all are doing absolutely fine. So you know that my Diva series is going on and today is the day 6 of this series. The days are flying very fastly and we are very close to the Diwali festival. Without wasting any time, let's jump into today's video. Before starting this tutorial, I want to share one thing that I have already done the base makeup and the eye makeup tutorial for the beginners, and it might be easier for you to grasp the things from that video. The link will be in the description box. You can go and check that out. In my yesterday video, like in my day 5 video of the eye makeup tutorial, and in that video I share very basic eye makeup, and today I will be one step further. I will share the glittery look that you can do on the Diwali, and it's your makeup or what makeup you have to do. First we have to do our eyes, because we have to use the glitters and there will be a fallout on our face, and we don't want that our makeup should be ruined. As we are using the affordable products, and for the concealer I am using this Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 25 medium. As I told you, take the concealer on the back of your hand. Now taking the concealer brush and taking the product on this brush. So this Maybelline concealer gives you very sheer to medium coverage. It is not that full coverage concealer. As you can see that I have applied the concealer, as a concealer will hide my hair of the eyebrow and which are not yet trimmed, so it will just hide my darkness on the eyelids and will give more even look. Using this beauty blender to blend my concealer. So I have to apply the eyeshadow on top of this, and now I have to give this a very smooth finish. I'm using the affordable products, and the eyeshadow I can find in my affordable range is the Magic Pro Professional 35 color eyeshadow palette, and you can see this palette. The undoubtedly perfect palette in the range, and this cost for only 1100. You have all the colors in this palette what you need to have on the eyes and to achieve any perfect eye look. So it has the reds, yellows, pinks, blues, greens, browns, each and every shade. And I want to compare this palette with the very known palette, that is a Morphe James Charles palette. So I have compared each and every shade, like not even the single color is different, and that palette also have 35 colors and this palette also have 35 colors. That palette cost around 5000 and this palette only cost for 1100. It's not like that this palette is not that much pigmented or something. This palette is equally pigmented. See the one swatch of the color. If you want to buy any affordable palette like in your budget, then this is the perfect palette. You can visit on this website and definitely buy this palette. This is a highly recommended palette and you will definitely love this. As in my previous video of the eye makeup, I told you that it is very mandatory to set the eye base, like the eye concealer, before starting the eyeshadows. So I'm using this shade. It is like matchable to my concealer shade. Taking the pink shade as my crease color because it will complement with my outfit very well. In black or any color, then you can definitely go with the browns or the outfit color of the, because I am going to do a pink smoky eye with the glitter on top of that, and the process is same, but if you want to change the color of the crease, then you can go with that. Placing my pink color directly on my crease. So I will never recommend that product which doesn't work on me. I will only share those products which are available with me or I have experimented a lot with them. Blend the eyeshadow in the wiping motion and the half circular motion. In this eye look, the blending is the only key to achieve the perfect look, as we are doing, as I told you, we are doing the smoky eye with the glitter. So without blending we can't achieve that look. My crease shade is done. Now I have to blend this color using this fluffier brush, like this is the big blending brush, blending my edges of the eyeshadow. So while editing my yesterday video of the eye makeup, I just realized that I have not shared the main point, that how a person have to hold the brush. So you have to hold the brush not from the middle, not from this side, not from end, just like ये middle है तो थोड़ा उससे ऊपर, and if you will hold from this part there will be a lot of pressure, and if you will hold from this part there will be least pressure. So just hold above the middle part. I have done my first shade, I have applied my first shade. Now I have to move on to the main part of this eye look, and that is to apply the black shade. So I am using the black shade, and so for the smoky effect you can definitely use the kajal, but I don't like to use the kajal because it is more tougher to blend that kajal, and the eyeshadows blend very easily. We have to build the eyeshadow, but it is not that much big deal or not that much tough. So I use the eyeshadows. So many of you don't know that how to do smoky eye. Smoky eye look is very easy to do, and more than that it is very elegant. It can go with any outfit. You just need to have the right technique to do this eye look. So I will share my technique which I use to do. What I do, I just take the black eyeshadow, just apply below the crease line, don't go above the crease line. So ये शेड डिफ्यूज हो जाएगा और ये ब्लैक शेड ऊपर चले जाएगा और ये हमारा बहुत बुरा लगेगा. So apply the black shade just below the crease. So apply with the small brush because हमने यहाँ तक नहीं लेके जाना कलर को, यहाँ तक, that most of you guys might do. हमें यहाँ तक पूरा प्रॉपर ऐसे नहीं लेके जाना कि ये हमारी क्रीज है तो हम यहाँ तक इधर ऐसे ले जाए. जैसे हम लाइनर लगाते हैं आगे से थोड़ा लाइक थोड़ा सा पतला, पीछे से थोड़ा हम मोटा करते जाते हैं, वैसे ही करना है. Because when we will blend this color, our color will automatically shift to the areas where we have not applied. You can see that I have applied my black shade. You don't need to be like so much perfect while applying this because we have to blend this color in the last. For blending the line between this shade and this shade, I have to choose like the mid shade of this, and I will choose the lighter shade of pink, and I am using this shade. Always remove the excess as I always told you. So just precisely blend this line and this line. So it will take a lot of time, but the results would be amazing. So be patient. See that my black shade is well blended. See this side and this side. We have to keep very patient while doing this. Look, you can see that I can directly apply the lashes and we are ready to go. This might be very basic look. We have to be a little bit advanced, and now I have to apply the glitter on top of this. You can go with any glitter which you want to apply on top of this, but I just want to try the black glitter as I have not used yet. So I just thought that in this video I should try. So the glitter I am using is this is the Forever 52 Stardust glitter, and it is in the shade Black Chronicle. I have purchased this glitter a long ago and I have not used yet. So you know that I love the Forever products and this is one of them. To fix the glitters on the place, you have to use any glitter glue, and I am using from the Makeup Studio Professional, and this is the two-way gel. This is the perfect and affordable glitter glue, and it cost around 800 rupees. I will apply this glitter on half of my eyelid. I will not cover the full eyelid. You can definitely cover the full eyelid with the glitter, बट जहाँ पर भी आपने लगाना है, लाइक आपने सेंटर में लगाना है तो आप सिर्फ सेंटर में ग्लू लगाइए। अगर आपने लाइक फ्रंट सेक्शन में लगाना है तो फ्रंट पर लगाइए। आई वांट टू अप्लाई इन द फ्रंट पार्ट, taking the glitter with this flat shader brush. This is looking like so amazing. I was not expecting. So taking the brush which I used for the blending. So you can see that not only the high-end products give you such amazing looks, the affordable do the same. I have used the Forever 52 glitters. Like these are very pigmented, the particles are very small, and if you so this cost for around 400 or 500. So I purchased 6 or 7 shades of this range, Forever 52 Stardust range, and it is till now it is working like amazing. And yeah, you can see. I will be right back after doing my second eye. Our work with the eyeshadows and the glitters are done, and to give more elegancy to our look, I will apply the lashes today. Like I have not applied on my yesterday look because better look and more basic look, and I was not feeling applying the lashes yesterday. But in today look I require and I have to apply the lashes. So I'll share the technique that how you can apply the lashes in very simple way. If you want that your eyelashes sticks for a long time period and just it looks like it's on your lashes, you have to use very good eyelash glue. And for my lashes I always prefer and I always use this Dew white clear gel eyelash. It is very rare to find the original one. Just search it before buying. Like it costs for around 800 or 900 rupees. Take your time to search for this eyelash glue. I am using the lashes as I have used this earlier and it is cut in my size only. Lashes will be reused even 4 to 5 times, and if you will not take the care, then your lashes will be ruined in first time only. I'm doing, never apply the lash glue directly from the tube. You have to apply on the lash band, like this band, and take very precise thing. I'm using the tool of the eyelash, applying on my, and let it dry for at least 30 seconds until it becomes more sticky. And before keeping this for drying, just do like this as it will occupy your eye shape. And I'm using the same trick to curl my lashes. So I always prefer applying the mascara before the false lashes, because जैसे ही हम false lashes लगाएंगे वैसे ही हम मतलब ऐसे दोनों को आपस में मिला सकते हैं कि हमारा कोई भी फेक इफेक्ट ना लगे. कि I'm using the Falsies Drama Push-Up Mascara by Maybelline. You can also use this type of tool to apply the lashes. You can only apply the lashes with this if you have a lot of practice. To be honest, I don't feel like applying the lashes with this tool because I just think that my fingers are more convenient to use rather than with this applicant. I can say that this step needs a lot of practice. So ये नहीं होगा कि आप पहली बारी lashes लगाओगे और ये पहली बारी में ही perfect लग जाएगी. You need to practice a lot. I stick my lashes on the point and you can see that how elegancy it has given to my eye look. So my lashes are done and now we have to remove the fallout. First thing I am applying is the L'Oreal Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Cream. As winters are going on and our face is pretty much drier, so I applied 2 coats of the moisturizer. Like I applied double layer of moisturizer. First is this L'Oreal moisturizer and the other I use are oils, like facial oils. My first moisturizer is done. Now I have to apply the facial oil. So my skin is turning on the drier side. I have to double moisturize my skin, because if I will not moisturize at this point, then the layering up the foundation, concealer and many more things will make my base more cakey. I have to use the oil, and my all-time favorite oil, Nykaa ke 24 karat gold oil, natural oil and the primer oil. This oil only costs for 900 rupees and it is totally worth it. Moisturizer sit in your skin for at least 4 to 5 minutes, because I have double layered the moisturizer and it will obviously take the time. If I will directly start applying my base will slip off and it will not last for long time. So just sit it. After very good 3 to 4 minutes, my oil is absorbed by my skin, and now I have to move on to the base. As you know that I'm using only affordable products, and most of the times I use the high-end foundations and the concealers as it gives me more coverage relatively. But recently, as I told you in my base makeup tutorial, I discovered two perfect combination for my skin, and for that I'm using the Maybelline New York foundation, and one is the Forever 52 Ultra Liquid Definition Foundation. And I mix these two foundations and make my own shade. And Maybelline will gives me its property and the Forever will gives me its property. I'm using this combination a lot, and it is on the affordable side of it. As if you will ask that in which foundation we can invest for one, and I will definitely go with the Maybelline ones. So the Maybelline have very good coverage as comparative to the Forever 52 one. So I want to use that Pack One foundations. I have listened a lot of that foundation. Whenever I will get the chance to buy that foundation, I will never miss that. Just mixing my two foundations and making my own shade. Base makeup tutorial, I have discussed each and everything. The link will be in the description box. You can go and check it out. So before starting applying the foundation on your full face, apply very small swatch of the foundation on your jawline, ताकि आपको पता हो कि लाइट तो नहीं या ज़्यादा डार्क तो नहीं, तो आप उस अकॉर्डिंग सेट कर पाओ. अदरवाइज जब लग गया तो आपको अगर गलत हो गया तो फुल बेस मेकअप उतारना पड़ेगा, लाइक फाउंडेशन वगैरह उतारनी पड़ेगी. इससे अच्छा तो हम थोड़ा सा टेस्ट कर लें. See, this shade is going very good on my skin. And my foundation with the foundation brush, and this is from the Pro Art, and after that I will blend it with the beauty blender. So never mind, I'm looking at that position because my mirror is there. जहाँ पर आपको पिगमेंटेशन ज़्यादा दिखती है वहाँ पर you can use this dabbing motion, otherwise don't use, just use the half flicking motion. Nowadays the affordable products are working equally like amazing as the high-end products. ये भी नहीं कि quality compromise है और कुछ भी, but nowadays I'm loving this thing. My foundation process is done. Now I have to set this foundation with the beauty blender. My foundation is done. Now I have to jump on concealer step, and for that I will use one light concealer and I will mix little bit of the concealer which matches to my skin, because I have dark circles underneath my eyes, and my this part as usual, and my this part is dark, so I have to balance out with these two concealers. This is from LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Fawn, and this is the same Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium. I will mix these two. Most of the time use the Tarte Shape Tape concealer because it is very full coverage concealer and it suits my skin very well. I rarely use these concealers. And in center, I will apply concealer which is matchable to my skin. With the same beauty blender, I will blend this concealer. So recently I am trying a lot of new things and experimenting a lot because I already have so much of makeup and those all are getting expired, so I don't want to waste anything. So I am just कि मेरे जो भी मेरे products हैं वो मेरे use में आए, because when I was new in this makeup I purchased a lot of things, and now as I'm learning the new things and the new techniques, I go that products are not working well for me, but I am making in use. The combination of the two concealers worked amazing on my skin. So it's your choice if you want to shift on the cream products or you want to stay on the powder products. If you're normal to dry skin, then you can definitely shift onto the cream products like the cream contour, like the cream blush and the highlighter. It's up to you what you want to choose. As the oily person, don't try the cream products a lot because it will slip off from your face. So now my face is done. I want to stay on the powder products only. Tomorrow will be the high-end product makeup tutorial. After that will be the final look by using the affordable products, because it is more convenient for everybody to buy the products. And in that I will share the cream product process with you guys. For my powder, I am using this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder and I am in the shade 15 light. Almost in the end of this concealer, setting my area where I have applied the concealer. Until then my powder is sitting on my skin for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. Let's complete the eyes. So according to me, white kajal will look amazing with this look, but I don't have any affordable white kajal. I have the high-end kajal and I will stick to the black one only. Just select my iconic kajal. Applying on my waterline. Smudging my lower lash line, I am using this and this shade. This process will balance out my eyes. ये नहीं लगेगा कि ऊपर ज़्यादा लगाया कुछ नीचे नहीं लगाया हुआ. So remove the excess powder. So I am done with setting my powder. It has just locked my face on the place. So for my contouring, I don't have so much affordable palette. I just have one palette and that is the Maybelline one. Contouring my hollows of the cheeks. Completed my contour part. Now it is time for pinky blushes. Using the Milani rose powder blush and it is very subtle. बिल्कुल tint है इसमें pink का, and this is very good blush. More affordable blush palette that I love a lot is this Maybelline Master Blush. I love this and this shade a lot because ये मेरी skin पर नहीं जाएगा. ये से aged people होते हैं वो उनकी skin पर जाएगा. If you are the person who love more blushes, then you can go with this. If you want very subtle blush, then you can go with that Milani one. For more cleaner look, I am using my same loose powder. Just applying underneath my earlobes. The Forever 52 Super Stay Lip Gloss in the bleached, like it is the nude shade. So to be honest, I'm not liking this color and it is not going very well with my outfit and my makeup. Now I am loving my lipstick more and I added this Kylie Jenner matte liquid lipstick और ये shade color नहीं लिखा हुआ. For the glowy thing on my face, I'm using the Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter by Maybelline and it is in the shade Molten Gold. Just amazing highlighter. we are done with the look. So guys, I'm just loving it that how my makeup has turned so amazingly. Guys, I'm just loving my makeup and I'm loving that how my makeup has turned out so amazingly, and my base is so flawless. My eyes are pretty much good. The further note, I just hope that you like this video. I helped you out as I always say. And please stay tuned with me. For that, please subscribe to my channel, like this video and share this. So I will see you tomorrow. Until then, bye, take care and stay safe.